Hey guys, we have here our Dodge Hornet, and in this video we want to explain to you how to connect your smartphone over Bluetooth to the car or to the infotainment system. So this is actually really easy. As soon as you turn on the car, then you should be able to see in the home screen as well as the phone screen here this button that says for the phone add device. You're going to click on that. Now in case you don't see this button at the home screen, then there's an alternative way to activate this Bluetooth pairing mode, and we're going to show you this at the end of the video. Okay, so now once we pressed on add device, then we're going to see this pop-up here that shows us the identification name of our car. And so now we're going to switch to the settings of our smartphone. So this works for iPhones in this case as well as for Android phones. So we're going to the Bluetooth menu, and here we have to first make sure that Bluetooth is activated. So in case it is turned off on your smartphone right now, you should turn this on. And then really quickly at the bottom of the list that we see here, we should find our vehicles here that says Uconnect in this case, and then this number behind it. So we should make sure this matches the name that we see on the screen. So in case it does, then we're just going to click on this. And now the phone and the car are going to show this PIN number, and we want to make sure the PIN number is exactly the same on both devices. So and in case it is the same, then we're going to say pair on the phone and also confirm this on the vehicle as well. And now we can also allow the car to sync our phone book contacts, and in case you have an iPhone, then we can enable the CarPlay functionality. Of course, I want to do this here as well. So I'm going to confirm this on the vehicle as well as on my iPhone. And then we see we're already connected. Everything is set up correctly. We can also see this on the iPhone. It says here now connected, and the phone is ready to be used. Okay, so now let's get back to when you can't find this add device function. So then we're going to go to vehicle, and then we are going to find here in this menu here phone/Bluetooth, and then in there you see device manager, and then here on the bottom of the screen you see here add device. And now the rest of the process of the pairing process is going to be exactly the same as what we just explained to you. Okay, so that was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.